Today I'm going to show you 3 quick, simple, and profitable woodworking projects that you can make with your scraps, which in my book are not even scraps. But enough talking, let's start building. For this first project, I just got a little piece of a pine 2x4. And we'll go ahead and cut a piece at 4 inches. All right, now we'll just grab a straight edge and we're gonna make an X on the end of 2x4. Now we know that the center of the 2x4 is right there in the X. Now we'll grab a 1 1/8 inch, I can't talk today, good night. All right, now we're gonna grab a 1 1/8 inch Forstner bit. I'm gonna draw down on that mark about 2 or 3 inches. All right, now that we've pretty much drilled the middle of nowhere into this 2x4, we can switch to a 3/8 inch drill bit. Wow, this thing's hot. Meet that hole at an angle. All right, now that we have 3 connecting holes, we can give everything a massage. And I got some 320 on this. And there you go. All right, now you're gonna need to buy an eye screw. I'll put it right here on the screen, but you're gonna screw it into the top right here so you can hang it. Fortunately, I don't wanna go buy one, so I'm just gonna make one. And this is a little piece of welding wire. Just gonna bend it into a simple eye and then cut it off. And that only took about 2 minutes. Beat that, Amazon. And then now we can fasten it to the top. Add a dab of super glue. And there we go, a really simple Carpenter B-trap. This is 4 inches long, so out of 8-foot 2x4, you can make 24 of these. Sell them for $5 each, and you make $120. Now you may be wondering, how do the bees get stuck? Now you can just take a soda bottle, pop off this ring right here, and then it should fit right over that second ring right there. And it should fit snugly right over that. Well, there we go, a super easy project anybody can make. Let's go ahead and move on to the second project. We're gonna measure up 6 inches, make a little dot, and then measure up 7 inches. We'll measure down from that 6-inch mark a 1/2 inch, and then at these 2 marks, we'll make a 1/4 inch hole. All right, I really don't have a way of explaining this part, but basically, top of this circle, we're just gonna round it over and then kind of taper all the way back to the back end and then come all the way back under this circle, and then you can connect these 2 circles. This is what it should look like. Now you can cut the shape out with either a jigsaw or a bandsaw. Then we can give it a little shape with the belt sander. We'll hand sand with some 320. And with some 600. You're probably confused on what I just made, and to tell you the truth, I kind of am too. But let's go test it and see if it works. Well, I think this is pretty cool. And finally, here's a third project. All right, for this third project, I got another piece of black walnut that measures in at 6 inches by 3 3/4. First, we're gonna measure down from the top 1 inch, and then from each side of it, measure over 2 inches, which is the edge. Now you can make an arc from right here all the way to the other side. Then in the middle, measure down 1 3/4, then make an arc from each side to that mark. Before we cut this out, we're gonna drill in the middle with a 3/8 inch drill bit. That's not right at all. It's 3/4. And then now we can cut to those lines on the bandsaw. Give it a massage with the bellows sander. And then do the same sanding routine that we did with the oven rack tool. Well, there we go, a cool little book page holder. Well, there you go, guys. There's 3 easy woodworking projects you can make with your scraps in under an hour. All I used was a sander, drill, and bandsaw. If you're new to this channel, make sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button, because I'm gonna be posting videos just like this in the future. Again, thanks for watching, and God bless.